Hi, this is London's Creation Corner, and I'm going to be making a Boxy Girl car today. And I'm going to start by tracing these lines. So I'm going to be using a 3D printer pen. I got it for Christmas, and I can make my car 3D. And I got a little stand for it. And this is the picture of it. So as I was saying again, I was just going to trace these lines. There's just extra stuff. It's filament. I don't really care about this, but so I'm just going to keep coloring this in with my 3D printer pen. And so I'll see when this is done. And so I'm done with that one part. It looks really good. And so I'm going to take this part off that I just showed you. And so I will peel this off. And so I'm peeling this off right now. It's pretty good so far. And I will just keep on going. And so there it is. And so that's one part. Now I just need to make one more. And if you can see, you might not can see, but there's some extra. But you can see like some like the outlines or the lines that I just did. So I'm just gonna trace those. But first, again, I'm going to just trace the outlines. I'm done with the outlining, so I'm just going to start to color it in. That was just a little tiny piece of access. Just a tiny little piece of access I don't need. So I'm just going to keep on getting started. That was another access. I'll show it to you again. So I'll just get started. I'm sorry, just screamed at you. So I'm done with the second one. Now I'll peel it off. And so here are my two ones. They look like sorta. I didn't totally trace the other ones because it didn't totally look, and they were the exact same size as each other. And so yeah. So I just burn myself. If you have one of these, try not to burn yourself like I just did. I'm not doing this random design, but you can do whatever design you want if you're making this. But you can make whatever design you want. But I'm just making this random design. I'll show you right now after I take this off. So it's just like a random design. So yeah, that's the first page. I'm done with that page. Don't need that. So I'm going to move on to my next page. And this is my next page. So I'm just gonna get started. So I just randomly did that for some reason. So I'm in this little jersey because I'm about to go to basketball game. So yeah, I'm number 5. See? So I'm just gonna get started on my thing. Back to work. So I have finished the bottom of the whole car, and that's it. So now I'm just going to peel it off. I hope it doesn't break. Challenge. Peeling this off. Challenge. So the pencil is almost gone. So I just made all the parts of my car, and I'm going to put them together. I'll show you them all. I went ahead and put the body of the side of the car on. So I'm going to put the wheels on right here and down, and then it's just going to be driving like this. And then at the very end, it's going to be driving at you. I went ahead and put the body of the side of the car on. So I'm going to put the wheels on right here and down, and then it's just going to be driving like this. And then at the very end, it's going to be driving at you. So I'm going to start by gluing the hoodie on. So I glued one side of the hood on. Oh, hallelujah, hallelujah. My dad is helping me. So I'm done with my car. This is one side. This is another side. The front. It's gonna go at you. And so yeah, these are the seats. And this, I forgot to show you, this door opens. The other door doesn't. So yeah. Smash that like Cheetos. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.